Hello, Biology 105. Just wanted to make a short video to make sure you all were on task with everything that has to be done in class. I am at the front home page for your class, so if you have logged into Canvas, you would then go to your dashboard and click on the course Biology 105, and it should bring you here, which is how all Penfield courses should look on Canvas. If you haven't done the student Canvas overview, I would suggest that you go ahead and walk through it, especially if you're not that familiar with Canvas. Here's my information. So if you are looking for me and need to find me at any point in time, on the days that we have class, I will be in the office. On the days that we don't have class, you can always leave me a voicemail or you can send me an email. So you all have already had a class assignment. I see only two people have turned in that assignment. So just in case, I'll show you where you can find that. So we want to always go over to modules. In the module, you'll see week 1 and you'll see your homework writing assignment number 1. The prompt for that writing assignment is here. So you first click on this one, see what homework assignment writing assignment number 1 is. Write it in a Word document, save it, and then upload it to here so that you can receive your points. Once you've done that, which is also due tomorrow night, Martin Luther King Observance Day has me kind of confused. You want to move on over to your week 2. And so in your week 2, which will begin on Wednesday or tomorrow, as our syllabus said, tomorrow is an online day, and so you're fully being immersed in online. For those who might have missed class, I am doing a soft pilot of this course as a hybrid so that I can adapt it for a fully online version. And so we do have some class times that are online. And so I did realize that the syllabus was the incorrect one from summer 2013. And so I have updated it to reflect the current syllabus that I did pass out in class. And it's just so we're on the same page, I'll open that up so that you can see how that syllabus looks. And it tells you that week 2 we're online, week 4, week 7. And so if you have any questions about that, please give me a voicemail or send an email. Okay, so going back to the course, just wanting to show you where everything is. Again, you always want to go to the module and go to the week that we are in. I will leave week 1 open because I have populated it with things to help you understand the chapter. So there is a chapter outline for 14, as well as flashcards and animation and videos. And these are tools that I'm not grading you on, but they are there to help you better study the material. Same for chapter 15. I have provided a chapter outline, flashcards, and animation videos. So for each chapter, I will try and do this just so that you have some other tools to help you study for that chapter. Once you complete all of the assignments for week 1 and week 2, you want to go ahead and take test 1 as it covers chapter 14 and 15. That test will be due next week on the 24th. And so, didn't mean to click into that. If you're, again, needing your syllabus, I have opened the correct syllabus now. So when you click here, you should see the right syllabus pop up. If there are any questions, again, you can contact me. My information is on the home page. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions or if something is not working. A few students had already emailed me, and I have changed it so that all documents can be loaded into Canvas. I prefer Word documents. If it's not in a Word document, I more than likely will send it back to you to ask that it be put in a Word document. But it has to be in some form that I can open. If I can't open it, then I can't grade it. All right, I'll look forward to talking to you all next week, not this week, as again, we are not in class. So I will see you in class on the 24th. Have a great one. Bye.